We have new details tonight on the Penn State Beta Theta Pi Fraternity Hazing Case. Today in court, defense lawyers for two fraternity brothers yet to be tried and an attorney for Jim and Evelyn Piazza argued whether the Piazzas violated a 2017 gag order in making specific comments about the case.
Our Evan Hinckley was inside the courtroom for the argument. He joins us now outside the former Beta Theta Pi house. Tell us more about this judge's situation and any ruling today, Evan.
Yes, good evening, John, Amanda. Today, Centre County Judge Brian Marshall said that the gag order does apply and always has applied to the Piazzas. Now, today in court, the defense lawyers for the former Beta Theta Pi president and pledge master, President Brendan Young, pledge master Daniel Casey, those defendants said, defense attorneys, said that they do not want any punishment for the Piazzas, but they do want them to stop making specific statements that they say violate their clients' rights to a fair trial.
He was an amazing person who was hazed and then ignored, tortured, and left to die because the fraternity did not want to get in trouble.
Defense lawyers Stephen Trialonis and Frank Fina, representing Daniel Casey and Brendan Young, say statements like this from the Piazzas misrepresent the facts of the case and should not be allowed before the brothers, identified as fraternity leaders, head to trial. Judge Brian Marshall agreed, saying the gag order issued last summer was directed towards a broad range of individuals, including the Piazzas. David Williams, representing the Piazzas, acknowledged that phrases like "they tortured" or "they killed my son" could be perceived as inflammatory. But Williams argued that much of what the Piazzas say is based on facts from the basement video and information available to the public, like this statement made at many of their speaking engagements.
The brothers poured beer on him, did a sternum rub to try to revive him. They slapped him, they backpacked him, they sat on him, they held him down on the couch. He came in and out of coherency, and several brothers knew he needed help and sought to seek it, but they were overruled by leadership.
This caused a disagreement on the facts of the case. Trialonis and Fina argued that just because the information is public doesn't mean it's fact. Our legal analysts weighed in on what the Piazzas could comment on in the future.
What they're not going to be able to talk about is the specifics of the case. So I'm sure what Judge Marshall is going to let them do is talk about this whole system and the whole culture that led their family to lose a son.
Now, as of now, the Piazzas will be able to continue their speaking engagements across the country, but stay tuned. As the United States, I'll be able to tell you what they may and may not be able to say at those speaking engagements. But for now, reporting live here outside the Beta Theta Pi house in University Park, Evan Hinckley, WTAJ News.